Hey, it's Justine, and look what we have here. It's the brand new yellow iPhone. Apple just announced this brand new color for the iPhone 14 and the iPhone 14 Plus, and we have it here in the studio with the wonderful yellow themed lights and my yellow sweater. I don't know. Let's unbox it. Whoa. Wow. Like, this looks like a sunflower, a walk in the park, a beautiful spring day, the sun. Like, this is honestly, I think this might be my favorite iPhone color to date. Like, I'm not even like a huge fan of the color yellow, but like this, just freaking look at this. I hope that this is translating on the camera. This color is so pretty. I love like the yellow aluminum on the outer, like everything just matches so perfectly. Picture this, but hot pink. I'm just saying, I see it. This is a very, very pretty color. Apple logo, have you ever seen one of those before? Of course, in the box, we have a Lightning to USB-C, our little instructions with an Apple logo, not yellow. One of the new things that they added this year in the iPhone 14 is emergency satellite connectivity, and this is such an incredible feature. I actually got a chance to go to Apple and test this out, so if you haven't seen that video, I'll put a link in the description and also in the end card. It was so awesome to really test this out because being able to see how the emergency responders will be able to communicate with you in case that there is an emergency and you don't have cell reception was pretty incredible. This is definitely something that you hope that you'll never actually have to use, but as someone who is sometimes off the grid, this is really helpful to know that just in case of an emergency, I feel like my iPhone will be there for me. So now back to this yellow color. Look at that. It's gorgeous. Along with this new spring refresh with the new yellow iPhone, they also came out with some new iPhone case colors, Apple Watch bands, and I have one of the new cases here. This is the Iris case. So this is a much darker purple than the previous one. Oh, wow, that's very pretty. So here's the other color that I had before. It's a much lighter purple. I think this might actually have some makeup on it, but we'll just disregard that. But it's definitely a much darker color. I'm not sure if I would pair the purple with a yellow, or actually, maybe I would. That looks kind of nice. It's complimenting. I mean, honestly, I don't want to ever put a case on this yellow ever. Like, this is so pretty. So I wish that I could make this video longer, but I've already reviewed the iPhone 14, the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and now this is pretty much the same phone that we know and love, but just in the color yellow. And I'm excited about it. I love that Apple has been doing these kind of secondary releases. It's always like a little March surprise. It's like, hey, Justine, happy birthday. We decided to release an iPhone. And I'm like, great. You could have just got me a cake, but not gonna complain about a new iPhone color. There's also 20 new Apple Watch bands and AirTag accessories. There's even a new Hermes line. Oh, they look so cool. I've actually never owned an Hermes Apple Watch band. I think I bought one once and then it was not the right size, so I returned it. And what I'm currently rocking right now, I've got the Milanese loop with the gold Apple Watch Series 8. I've been swapping between the Apple Watch Ultra and the Series 8, and it's so great because like one day I will wear this one, put this one on the charger, take the other one off in the morning, and have the Apple Watch Ultra for the next day. So it's been really fun, and it's so easy to switch between Apple Watches if you do have multiple, that I never lose steps. It just automatically syncs and updates, and it knows that I have whichever watch on. So I don't know what else to say about this. Again, I've already made reviews, so if you guys want to go watch the full review of them, please do so. But here it is, the yellow iPhone 14 and 14 Plus. I'm gonna just leave this here and you guys can talk amongst yourselves while you subscribe, like, comment, and hit the bell so you'll be notified when I post new videos. See you later.